Hi folks, I'm Dave Balkan of Balkan Sewer Water Main Service, and we're going to do a little experiment soldering with the heat shield and without a heat shield. And why that's so important is on a more frequent basis than you would think, folks get lost in the task and plumbers get lost in the task of soldering, and they're not paying attention to flammable materials that are in the general area, like sheetrock, insulation, lumber. So this is a heat shield. I'm going to torch up. I'm not going to actually solder, but I am going to heat up my pipe. I think you can clearly see the amount of heat that's being directed towards the heat shield, and let's see if there's any damage behind it. Nope. My bread is still white. My house is not toast. Now let's try it without the heat shield. I'm going to torch up. I'm going to heat my pipe. And I think that's a pretty good demonstration of why use a heat shield so you don't make your house into toast. That's the safe way to solder. Thank you, and I hope that helped you out there.